Wann hast du Geburtstag? When do you have a birthday? Looking at ordinal numbers and dates. Am ersten, on the first. Am zweiten, on the second. Am dritten, on the third. Am vierten, on the fourth. Am fünften, on the fifth. Am sechsten, on the sixth. Am siebten, on the seventh. Am achten, on the eighth. Am neunten, on the ninth. Am zehnten, on the 10th. Am 11., on the 11th. Am 12., on the 12th. Am 13., on the 13th. Am 17., on the 17th. Am 20., on the 20th. Am 23., on the 23rd. Am 28., on the 28th. Am 30., on the 30th. Am 31., on the 31st. Am 4. Juli, on the 4th of July. Am 6. April, on the 6th of April. Am 12. August, on the 12th of August. Am 24. November, on the 24th of November. Am 1. Januar, on the 1st of January. Am 23. März, on the 23rd of March. Am 15. Dezember, on the 15th of December. Am 2. Februar, on the 2nd of February. Am 10. Juni, on the 10th of June. Am 29. September, on the 29th of September. Am 6. Oktober, on the 6th of October. Am 5. Mai, on the 5th of May. Am 21. Juli, on the 21st of July. Am 10. Januar, on the 10th of January.